Hi guys, this video will give you best ways on how to play Drive and Park on PC. Our tool is a power mirror. Download and install the application on both PC and mobile device. Launch it afterwards. Connect both devices using a USB cable. On your phone, open Drive and Park, then wait for the loading process. Click the keyboard icon under the menu bar and choose Controls from the pop-up button. Then, select the key mapping according to your preference. Lastly, hit Save icon, then start playing Drive and Park on PC. This video also gives you tips and tricks on how to play Drive and Park on PC. First is to park later than earlier. If you are not that good at timing, just release the parking brake earlier than letting it to be seen by the cops and be arrested. Next is to skid away. Parallel parking is a one-tap process to park your car by skidding away. Then watch out for special parking spots. There are different parking spots available in this game. Also, control every car you unlock. Some cars are faster and some are not. Take this into consideration when parking or looking for a parking space. Lastly, use high ranks car. Driving and parking cars can generate you in-game money. The amount of money will depend on the cars you use. And this is the best way to play Drive and Park on PC. Thanks for watching!